Hey everyone, in this video I'm about to review the Nextdoor app. Nextdoor is a neighborhood-based social app that helps people connect with others living nearby. It's great for sharing local news, getting recommendations for services like plumbers or babysitters, or posting about lost pets. The app feels like a digital bulletin board where neighborhood can ask questions or offer help. It's easy to use and free to join, which makes it accessible for everyone. One of the best features is the ability to stay updated on crime or safety alerts in your area. To create your account, enter your name, email address, phone number, and password. However, some users say the conversations can sometimes become negative or too personal. Privacy is important, and the app requires address verifications, which may feel uncomfortable to some. Still, it's helpful for building a stronger community and knowing what's going on around you. You can also buy, sell, or give away items, which is convenient. Overall, it's a useful tool if you use kindness and respect. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.